Where did you buy those?
Just in
Okay. Okay.
traffic. Guys, I'm gonna give it to Mama, and she just gets scissors. Okay, Daddy's just gonna get scissors. Okay, that's scissors. Daddy got scissors. I'm gonna give it to Dada, and then only those so Dada and Mom just hold the phone, and Dada will just hold the toy. Okay, Dada, be careful and don't slip my baby brother. Gotta be careful. Very careful.
Come on.
Okay, Mama's doing something to Dada. Open this. Okay. Can you take it out?
Show them one at a time. Show them.
This one is a crab.
Show it to them.
This one is a crab.
Okay. You put it back para cutie. And the next one. Oh, nice. This is a crab. This is one. What's this one?
That one is look like a penguin.
Okay.
And that one kind of look like a unicorn. Or a Viking like that.
And this one?
I think it's
A pig.
a pig.
This
A
one is
rainbow
a...
pig. That one is a cat.
How about this one? Yeah.
I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this. I think it's dark.
Yeah, it can be a fish or a fish.
I think it's
Okay, next.
and this one is so.
It's an owl or a fox.
I think this one is a fox and this one is an
Oh,
owl.
bata.
Oh, no. Okay, we need to take it out because I really like to play with them now. Squishy, squishy. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, what's this one? I didn't know what
Laso niyan. It's a poison. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
See you later, guys.
Bye.